Boy, do I love irony, and I have got some irony for you. Noctua, the company known for making premium fans and coolers, decided to make a premium warmer, and that would be the NP-H1, the hoodie that I'm wearing right now. So as soon as I opened up the package for the hoodie that you see me wearing, a couple of things happened. One, I regretted not documenting the unboxing experience. It would never a million years have occurred to me to do an unboxing video for a hoodie. But I was so impressed with the packaging, I really wished that I had. And it immediately became my favorite hoodie. And I wanted the one other color that this is available in, which is a classic brown color that you don't really see a lot of hoodies in, that references the classic brown fan blades that Noctua fans are known for. And that gave me a chance and a really good excuse to buy another one. So I saved this one for this video so we could check it out, but I also want to talk to you about what I like and what I don't like about this hoodie. So the first thing I'll just quickly point out is that this box doesn't require any tools to open. You just has a little pull tab here which tears the box open, which I'll show you right now. Look at that, no tools required. So as soon as you open this up, the first thing you find is a postcard from Noctua, which reads in actual handwritten ink, "Dear Nathaniel, we hope you enjoy your new Noctua hoodie. Best wishes, Catherine." And this is a little bit different from the other one. It's just some actual human being took a Sharpie and wrote a nice little postcard, and I love that touch. All right. And I am going to just carefully cut this. There we go. Show the sticker right out of the box. And then you have this nice brown hoodie, also bagged. Keep it dry in case it encounters any moisture. Nice little pack of silica gel. Don't eat those. And then there you have it. So, so here's my other hoodie. And as you can see, it's brown. It's a kind of a nice dark brown. It's a color you don't see a lot of. And there are a couple things about this hoodie that I just want you to know. So one of the first things that you'll notice is that the inside of the hood is white. It's kind of like, think of it like thermal underwear. And it's very thick. Like this thing has actually got some padding. This isn't, you know, there's just like a single layer of material on a lot of it, but up in the hood, there's actually a lot going on in here. So one thing you want to keep in mind if the inside of the hood is if you dye your hair or use any hair coloring or anything like that, a white interior of a hood might get discolored and might start looking kind of gross. You gotta love these big, thick hoodie cords. And then on the sleeves, you've actually got thumb holes, which you can see. And then inside the pouch here, you've got little interior pockets for, you know, just change of random stuff or whatever. Then if you look in the pocket, the main pocket here, you'll find this little hole, which I assume is for passing headphone cables through. So you can have a headphone cord running through the inside of the hoodie. Then of course on the front, you've got your Noctua Owl logo. And on the back, it says Premium Cooling Solutions by Noctua, which it should probably say Premium Warming Solutions, but that's okay. We're gonna let it slide. So now I've got two of these really excellent hoodies, and I couldn't be happier. So quickly, in conclusion, if you got 50 bucks and you want a really good hoodie, this is a really good hoodie. Regardless of what you think about Noctua fans or, you know, irony, as long as you like the colors and you're okay with the inside of the hood being white, great. By the way, it's made in Austria, and that makes sense because Noctua is an Austrian company. But unless you have a KTM motorcycle, I don't know what else you're going to get that's made in Austria. Even their fans are all made in China or Taiwan. You can correct me if I'm wrong on that, but I think that's right. And yeah, I mean, I don't expect to do another clothing unboxing or review on this channel. This is supposed to be for computer and tech stuff. But this thing was worth it, and it was related enough that it made sense for me. So I hope you enjoyed this. Like it, dislike the video. Please hit subscribe. And we'll see you next time. As you can see, the NP-H1 packaging is irresistible to cats. While most cats like to go in the box, my cat likes to go on the box. You're such a rogue.